Hey guys, quick video. I just want to show you some of the Nerf guns I got. Soon I'll be buying more and Nerf gun straps. And I'll be doing a Nerf gun war with my friend. Well, some, because it's going to be deathmatch. Yeah, so right now I only got the Nerf Retaliator. Take off, put it in. So the Nerf shotgun. I have a lot more, but they're in my room right now. So, this gun. Right now in my living room. I don't want to go on. This gun. And that. Retaliator. That's why I did a quick video showing you my Nerf gun, stuff like that. Like and subscribe. Leave comments or else I will shoot you. Don't make me. Check out other Nerf channels like Nerf Scoob and Gun vs. Gun. It's a Nerf or nothing.